again with another video, and I am going to make this one short. If you like what I'm sharing, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Now, on to the good stuff. So, this website actually hires people to fly drones. I kid you not. So, if you're a drone pilot, FPV enthusiast, anything like that, you're into flying drones, you're into tech stuff, you want to be into flying drones, doesn't matter, this website is for you. It's called Dronebase. Alright, now if you hit the about section, Dronebase is a company based in Santa Monica, California, USA, and their job is to pretty much acquire data using drones. It says here, the sky is an indispensable source of vital business data, and Dronebase is the leading way companies acquire it. So one of the things they do mostly is take pictures from the air. So it's not like you're spying or anything, just to make that clear. But it is a really cool concept. At Dronebase, we provide fast, affordable, and reliable data from the air so our customers can make better informed real-time decisions about their most critical assets. So if it's something about your property or what a landscape looks like or anything like that, drones will be sent out, information gathered, and then that data will be relayed to the customer or client, and then that client can now make an informed decision based on the information they've been given. It tells a story about their founder and stuff, right? Board members and whatnot, their team. And if you are actually interested in working for the company, flying drones and taking pictures and stuff and getting data, then you could scroll to the end of their page and you could click connect with us. What will happen is it will take you to their LinkedIn page. So where it says careers, connect with us, it takes you straight to their LinkedIn profile page. And whenever jobs are available, which they hire from wherever they actually opened up, as it says here, they opened up a base in Germany, so they're actually expanding. So if you're in the European market or that side of the world, you could actually apply for a job at Dronebase, right? So you know someone who would like to work remotely flying drones from Dronebase, this is the job for you. If you're experienced in flying drones, you like drones, hit them up, see what they have to offer, and I hope this will help you somehow during this pandemic to be able to get a job to provide for yourself and your family. Now, the pandemic affected a lot of people, and jobs like these are cool, but my opinion is that it's best if you can find a way to build a business that you can set and not necessarily forget, but when you set it, it works for you while you're sleeping, while you're out taking care of errands, while you're having fun with your friends and family, while you're taking care of important business. You need to check up on it from time to time, yes, but a business that works when you're sleeping is better than a 9 to 5 where you're worried that somebody might come and say, hey, this pandemic is costing this company too much, we need to let some people go, and randomly just pick 50% of the staff and let them go. That happened at a job near where I work, just so you know, where they literally selected 50 people, hacked them, and there was no promise of them returning after this pandemic is over. Now, I'm not trying to scare you, but the reality is you need money to eat, you need money to pay your bills, and if you can build a business that can give you more than enough money to do those things, I suggest you click the links below this video. Check those out. When you click the links, a landing page will come up, so it will ask you for your name and email address. It's just stuff so that we can email you with follow-up information on what's happening, new products that might come out, new information that you're probably not open to, or not open, but you're probably not aware of, rather. Enter that information. It will take you to a free webinar, free videos. All the information is free, and then depending on which one you decide to go with, Yeah, there is a cost because there is a learning curve. There is a course that teaches you how to do these things step by step. It holds your hand and teaches you how to build your almost passive online business. Guys, thanks for watching to the end of this video. Again, hit the like button, share it with someone, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.